Alright, broken bottom door hinge on this side. Seems to be quite common. They always break on that side. Slide first. You have to save this. You have to save all your screws too. Right? The new ones didn't come with screws. This is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Okay, so far so good. By the way, the bottom of our refrigerator has always been this immaculate and did not take an hour to clean. These screws are different. These are longer. So the short screws hold the rail on. We're going to put those right there. These longer screws comes away. And this will feel real tight. Just keep pulling, and it'll fall out. It has a little tab right here. Alright, so here's the piece. Flip it upside down. Once you have it in this position, you'll see these little spring-loaded clips. You can pop those free. Okay. But you notice we're still trapped by a little T-shaped clip here and a T-shaped clip here. So rotate it this way. And this plastic piece right here clips down on this back vent. So use your fingernail, open that clip up.
Very dark, by the way.
Okay. Right. And open this clip up a little bit if you need to. There we go. It falls out. And now we can rotate this. This T part falls out. And now this part can now rotate. This part comes out. And then this handle, which does not come with the replacement kit, has a little clip. And it falls out. Alright. So here's our replacement. And this is, all this effort is to replace this broken hinge, and here's the good one. That's what all this has been about. And we would just reverse our steps. See how hard this is. There's our slider. There's our arm. Okay. Click, click, click. Put them in there. Alright. This is going to have to end up here. So go inside there. This one. Alright, so make sure everything is working. As you slide this lever, it opens and closes the vents in the back. More or less.
You should pull that out.
Alright.
Just to put the new door in.
This little piece of foam fell out and it goes here. Right? Okay. Now we'll put the whole assembly back in. First, hook the clip in the back. Sure can. Swing it around. Oh, there's a clip here. Aha! Aha! Very important. Okay, let's show that again. This clip here clips on the inside of this panel, so you need to lift it up till it goes on the clip and then push it down. And now it's clipped, and you should have a good tight seam all the way across the top. Okay, so remember our long screws go in here. Make sure all the bolts are still working. Yep. I have completely forgotten how this goes.
Well, look at the left. And
It has arrows that point to the front. So, just like that. Does that look right? Oh yeah, it matches the side. It matches the other side. So that's good.
Wow. That's a lot of work. Lots of hard work.
So
That's
you
what
need
we
to make sure the slider is open to.
Slide. Yeah, the rear one's a lot easier to do when it's slid open.
Make sure the slider is open in order to screw in the rear.
Just the back one. You can't. It won't help you with the front one. All right.
All right. The reassembled refrigerator.
Yes. And watch the magic.
Yeah.
Well, it works again.
Yay.
Yep.
Alright,
It
hit the red
is,
button.
as you can see, you can open every part. Even these doors. As you can see,
All right.
we have moved our food
Alright.
to fix this door.